So today let us move to the first part of Excel. Now what is Excel? Excel is a product of Microsoft Office. So Office is the entire package of applications. Since you are a kid, you don't need to understand everything. But here you have Microsoft Excel also. And now why it is in your syllabus? What is the application? Let us try to understand. Excel is maintained Excel helps to maintain the inventory record information kind of thing in a well formatted manner. Now what is record, ma'am? What is information? Why do we need it? Let us try to understand your way. So suppose you are in a school, right? And every year you get your parents pay their fee, the fee for you, right? So you have your school may have 2000 or 2500 students. Think of it, how they are going to maintain the information for each student. There, if they are going to write it in some note in somewhere, it may not be feasible, right? So there it is coming to the Excel is very useful in maintaining such inventories. Let us take an example and understand. Probably the fee one only we will see. Let me just, do not worry how I am making, this is not part of your understanding right away. Just watch, nothing, no need to pay much attention to the Excel how I am feeling, because these will be again covered in the upcoming video how I am feeling the Excel. Okay, so name of the student is going to be there. Probably there will be wait, I'll class, and there will be section also, right? Otherwise how the teacher is going to remember the kid? Oh, section and roll, correct? And now suppose your session starts at April. So April we have May, June, July and so on. Let us not waste our time in typing entire month. So now suppose we will take a small example, means our school has only 4 students. Let us understand. So 4 students name, I am giving the names of my few of my students. Okay, so Apurva, Akshat, Hira, Moti are in my school, for example. So now, oh, I'm really sorry, where I put in the wrong row, right? We will know what is row. Ha. So now it is looking fine. So Apurva, for example, maybe in class 7, section A, roll number suppose 12. Class 5, section B, roll number suppose 5. Class 6, section B, roll number for example 1. And class 6, section A, roll number 3. So this is the, now suppose everyone has paid their, oh, 1 second. Everyone suppose has paid their April month fee. So as and when they are paying their fee, what we are going to do? The school authority is going to update. So for example, 1 second. So let me try to modify a bit. Do not worry again, for these we will learn those things again later in a far better way. This is a basic one actually. So the fee of the April is suppose paid at the time of admission. Now in the month of May, Akshat's father has gone to the school and has suppose paid. So what the school authority is going to do? They are going to update the month of May for Akshat, okay, as paid. Suppose some day later, Moti's mother has also gone and has paid the fee. So this is how, if you look at it, right, so when the school is going to try to look at the sheet, Excel sheet, they will understand, okay, these are the students, they have paid for this month, the April is fully paid, May few kids are still remaining, probably they are going to pay within, few days of their tenure. Okay, or they may try to send some reminder, sir, please pay the fee in time, or something like that, whatever it is. So now you should be able to understand why Microsoft Excel is going to be required, right? Now let us try to understand what is these, what is row, what is column, and what are their applications. Okay, let's move to the next video.